Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia and connected services system includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. And this includes Safety Connect. Safety Connect is a subscription-based service that brings added support when the unexpected occurs. And it provides access to a 24/7 response center with agents who can dispatch necessary services to your vehicle's location. The feature is available with a 5-year minimum trial for owners of select 2026 and up Toyota vehicles, and it has several functions, including emergency assistance, enhanced roadside assistance, automatic collision notifications, and stolen vehicle locator. Here's a closer look at how to use these protection features. To use Safety Connect's emergency assistance feature, press the SOS button inside of the cabin. This will call the Toyota Emergency Response Center, mute the audio system, lock out all multimedia functionality, and display an emergency banner on the multimedia screen. The LED near the SOS button will also blink. Once connected, the system will ask, "Are you in need of medical or emergency services? Please say yes or no." Saying yes will connect you to an agent who receives the vehicle location and can dispatch appropriate services to your location as required. If you say no, you can then select roadside or goodbye. Roadside routes you to a roadside assistance contact who receives the vehicle location and can provide required services, including dispatching a tow truck or repair vehicle. If the call doesn't connect, the system will retry calling 8 times before stating, "Unable to connect to the emergency call center." If the system is unable to connect, call the Toyota Contact Center for additional assistance. If you're in a collision that triggers airbag deployment or a significant rear-end impact that triggers the sensors, the system is designed to connect you to a live agent. The agent will receive the vehicle location and model information so they can contact emergency personnel and dispatch services to your location. If disconnected, a retry call will be initiated every 20 seconds for 24 hours until a connection is made. If a vehicle registered with Safety Connect is stolen, the Stolen Vehicle Locator feature can help track it down. First, report the stolen vehicle to your local police department and obtain a case number. Then, call the appropriate Toyota Contact Center that services your location. Say stolen vehicle, then you'll be guided through a prompt and connected to an agent who will contact local authorities to verify the case number. Next, vehicle signals will be monitored for 7 days and can be extended for an additional 7 days if desired. The agent will work with the police to track down the vehicle, who will then inform you directly when the vehicle is recovered. Once located or 14 days have elapsed, the vehicle is removed from the recovery process. And that's how Toyota's Safety Connect helps drivers gain added peace of mind when the unexpected occurs. To learn more about Toyota's audio multimedia platform, be sure to check out the Toyota USA YouTube channel or visit toyota.com/audio multimedia.